Today we're going to learn about finding the volume of a pyramid. The formula for volume of a pyramid is length times width times height divided by 3. Super easy. So here we have our length, and here we have our width, and we have our height right here. So we're going to plug that in. 11 times 11 times 12 divided by 3. 11 times 11 times 12 is 1,452. And we divide that by 3. And you get 484. Now we're talking about volume, and you see we have 1 dimension, 2 dimensions, 3 different dimensions. So you have centimeters cubed. Volume is always going to be cubed. This is your final answer. And that's how you solve problems 1 through 4. You're going to finish that. Go ahead and go over cones again if you need a reminder. Cones formula is volume equals pi times the radius squared divided times the height divided by 3, or you can think of it as pi times r times the height, r just being the radius, and divide by 3. Whichever one works for you. That would be problems 5 through 8. And then problems 9 through 12, you're going to say volume equals 4 times pi times the radius cubed, all divided by 3. And again, the radius is just that halfway mark. Remember that. For that one, you remember a full diameter, which goes from here to here. Oh, let me use my pointer. From here to here is the diameter, and the radius is half of the diameter. So if you have a diameter, you need to figure out what half of it is. Finally, on the last page, you have a mixed review. We're going to call them all volumes. So you're going to find the volume of these two and these two. And that's it. That's the rest of the notes. If you want to go over the enrichment, check out my next video.